Hello from me. Hello from Rosie. It's nearly Burns night, so why don't we do something with a Scottish theme? Gonna make some haggis sausage rolls. And these are something I think that you could serve as like a little surprise party kind of hors d'oeuvre, or serve it the next day when you've got a little bit of leftover haggis. It's a win-win. So let's give it a go. Some haggis Burns night sausage rolls. Let's go. I'm going to start off by cooking my haggis. Roll your puff pastry until it's about 5 millimeters thick. Get a bread roll or a brioche roll even, and crumble it into a bowl. Then add a little bit of water to it until it's just enough to combine. If you dice up about 50 grams of Brie and add it to the wet breadcrumbs. When the haggis is cooked and it's cooled down, crumble it into the mixture. I'm going to bring this all together. Whisk up an egg. And get a little bit of mango chutney, not too much, and spread it onto the pastry. So now we can take our haggis mixture, and get our egg, roll the sausage roll. And now we just chop up our sausage roll. Quick brush with a bit more of the egg yolk. Add some cracked black pepper. We put them in the oven for about 15 minutes on 190 degrees. These guys are ready to take out of the oven.